1981. So as you can see the different color of our museum, the fresh brown is the new artwork, and the old color is... Alright, this way. Over here. Alright, so everyone, at your left side here, so you can see the monkey and the giant. That is the stories of Ramayana and... Okay, go forward. Faces at the top, that is Brahma faces. It represents the four golden states of mind, such as equanimity. Please turn right, this way, this way. We are all the same human beings. So we compounded with these four elements, which is earth, water, wind, the breath of life. In our body could be the gas, produces oxygen to us to breathe. And the last one is fire. Alright, come this way, over here. The third shade of life, where the relax of Buddha is placed with the concept of we are born to die. Alright, so everyone, we all know we can escape from death. It's connected to the third shade of life. It has in the politician. So it has also the famous golden rules. What we do not wish to ourselves, do not do to others. Alright, over here. Forward this way. Also Shiva, that is structure. That is one of the Hindu gods also. Okay, come forward over here. This is a symbol of politeness in conversation. Below, taking good care of our parents. This captures taking good care of their children. So this is a symbol of how responsible parents are. And over there, a kind of job, not illegal or dirty. Again, over there, the last one. Doing nothing while the others actively working. So everyone, don't be lazy. Over here. Okay, we will walk around over here after the opposite side of good and the bad society. It shows us how it would be like if we follow the self-developed society. And the opposite side, that is society of generosity, and that is society of humanity.